So, andito tayo ngayon sa Metrogate Silang to check a new foreclosed vacant lot. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So, along Aguinaldo Highway lang po tayo. Malapit na tayo sa Tagaytay. Kaya naman na Tagaytay weather na rin dito. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the property. Corner lot po siya. And medyo irregular yung shape niya. It's 229 square meters total lot area. Ito po siya. Itong corner na to. Dalawa entrada niya. Dito sa side na yan. Tsaka dito. Okay. Meron siyang katalikuran. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. Usually first come first serve po tayo dito sa submission ng offer, but if multiple offers po ang na-receive ng management, discretion na po nila na magpa-bidding. This is 3.3 million. That's the regular price. Discounted price is around 2.9 million. So pumapatak siya ng 13,000 per square meter for a discounted price. Below market value na po yan. Malapit lang din siya sa main road. Okay. Main road, ayun, yung kabilang, yun. May mga dumadaan doon. Main road po yun. And this is available in cash or at least 20% down payment and then 80% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. So ang kagandahan pa dito is along Aguinaldo Highway lang po tayo. Malapit tayo sa Tagaytay, Calax and Vista Mall. Maganda dito sa Metrogate Silang, kumpleto sa amenities. Napakalaki ng swimming pool nila, may tennis court, basketball court, parks and playground, may soccer field. Andito rin po yung FEU within the subdivision or within the estates. And then meron din po silang driving range. So sa mga mahilig mag-golf dyan, kung gusto nyong pumalo-palo, yan, may driving range po dito. So again, if you're interested, message us directly. So andito tayo sa amenity area ng Metrogate Silang. Yan. Yung building na yan, FEU, Basic Education. Tapos ito yung jungle pool, swimming center. Sukin natin yung loob. Laki ng swimming pool nila dito. In fairness, hindi siya tinipid sa amenities. Ganda ng swimming pool niya. Diba? Adult and kiddie pool. Kompleto siya. And then may mga commercial establishment na rin dito sa main road niya. Ganda. Laki ng swimming pool niya. And then dito yung tennis court tabi niya. That's a tennis court. And then may driving range din. Yung driving range yun. Tennis court. basketball court. And then driving range dito. FEU Cavite. Baka sa school tong tong indoor basketball court. Ayan yung FEU School Cavite. May parang soccer field dito. Ayan. Ito yung entrance sa driving range. Meron din siyang fitness center sa taas. Second floor ng function ng clubhouse nila is mga function area. Function area, tapos may gym. So hindi gumagana yata ng gamit. Ang ganda rito sa Metro Gate Silang in fairness. Kumpleto sa amenities. May driving range pa Ganda. That's FEU Cavite.
It was good.
It was fun and like anything. But like, wait a minute. Is school back?
Yeah, I'm going to school right now.
What's happening in school now? Are you like in the middle of? Because I think some started late, but some started early January. So
And it's also, I think, fair season almost, right, Maddie? Like a lot of school fairs are happening.
oh, when is your school fair happening?
We had a school fair last month. It's like
Oh, it's done.
I think it was actually on November.
Oh.
Like there was
okay.
like a bunch of like food stands, like inflatables.
Oh, that sounded like fun.
So Henry's asking, is Maddie the one who had like a candy salad with her friends?
Yes.
Yes, that's the Maddie we're talking to right
Yes,
now.
exactly. Oh my gosh! So like, how was the whole like Christmas season for you? Was it?
I think my favorite one was the shoes that my parents gave me because they're so nice.
Like, are they like what kind of shoes? Like sneakers, or are they like?
They're sneakers.
Oh, that sounded like fun. And what time do you